Hello guys and welcome to Painting Panzers. My name's Christian and today we've been sent some amazing models from the team at Blitzkrieg Miniatures. Now if you can't tell already, it's a mixture of Russians and Hitler Youth, so we're going to look at them in a little bit more detail now. Now the first one we're going to look at is probably one of my favourites. It's the Hitler Youth with a Luger. He obviously looks tiny compared to the pistol. The pistol looks massive on him, and I love the emphasis on the bigger pistol and the pistol holster, just to show how young this particular guy is, probably fighting for his life in Berlin. So yeah, really nicely done. Then we've got a Soviet female soldier accompanying another injured soldier. Again, really lovely pose. I love the fact she's grabbing his belt, sort of like lugging him along with the PPSH. Really nicely done. Then the deadly female Soviet sniper. Again, loving the details there. Not as much detail in this sniper rifle as other rifles that we're going to see later on, but that might just be because of the print. Then we've got a Soviet nurse sort of pulling along an injured comrade, looking really nice. They've even got the little details on the bags to put the medical symbol on there. She's also got a holstered pistol as well with a beret on. Yeah, really nicely detailed and really good attention to detail as well. And then we're moving on to a German lad with a Panzerfaust and Kar98. Just look how massive those rifles, those weapons are on this guy. Yeah, crazy. And we've got another one. So another nurse, I'm going to say, carrying a Russian soldier to safety. Hopefully he's not died, but there we go. Again, looking really good. I'm sort of getting a close-up of her face too, because it looks great. And we've got another Soviet sniper here, female sniper, with a little bit more equipment on. The mixture of the sort of bag, the water bottle, the rifle pouches, as well as that sniper rifle. And I'm loving the fact all the weapons have their slings. That's something that some people tend to avoid. Then we've got another Hitler Youth guy here. He's got a mixture of equipment. Mess tin, gas mask canister, that kind of thing, with the hat on, looking really cool, giving you Berlin vibes for sure. And then we've got another guy charging in with that Panzerfaust, again with that small body with those massive weapons. Yeah, just really cool. And we've got a Soviet lady firing her pistol, which again looks really nice. Lovely detail on there, and the prints have come out great. I love the fact they come up really clean too. And then if you wanted a painted example, here we go. I couldn't help myself, I had to paint some of the Hitler Youth just because I thought they looked awesome. Beautiful detail in that MP40. Again, MP40 looks massive in this kid's hands, but I think that effect actually works really nicely. Now, I know you guys are going to ask me how they shape up against Warlord Games plastics. The Blitzkrieg Miniatures prints look a lot more realistic in terms of their size. So if you're interested in getting any of the Blitzkrieg Miniatures 3D prints, you can find them at the Blitzkrieg Miniatures website. I'm going to leave a link to that in the video description. They're renowned for their vehicles, but they sent me some figures instead because I requested them. So yeah, really nicely done. As you can tell, they print a lot of licensed stuff on there as well, because they've obviously got the licenses for it. Now, would I recommend Blitzkrieg Miniatures? Well, you could probably guess from how I've already reviewed them that absolutely I would do. They have tons, and I mean tons, of stuff on their website, so you will not be short of trying to find yourself some of those items that you might be struggling with elsewhere. Definitely check out the website. The prints are great. If you don't have access to a 3D printer, I mean, you'd be crazy not to, especially if you're in the UK. But yeah, definitely check them out. Would recommend them. But I'm keen to know what you think, so let me know in the comment section how you found this video, if you've got any Blitzkrieg Miniatures figures, how you find them. But yeah, really interested to know. But I'm going to end it here. Don't forget to leave me a comment below, and until then, I will catch you at the next one.